Here she is, guys, a 2010 Ford Crown Vic Police Interceptor. I just picked her up recently from the auction, but unfortunately they don't tell me much about the vehicle. But it looks like she was involved in some type of wild shootout. I'm gonna play investigator and try to figure out exactly what happened here. I'm gonna fully search the vehicle for clues, equipment. There's no telling what is in this vehicle. I'm gonna fully search it and I'm gonna bring you guys along, so let's go. Let me see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 shots. And who knows how many of them came through the window. That's insane. Look, it still has the evidence sticker. So apparently this whole vehicle was police evidence, police caution tape. Look at this, some sort of emergency lights. And climb up here, light bar, but the top is missing. Okay, so the hood is white and it looked like they removed it at some point. Maybe the original hood was taken for evidence. To me, this is insane. This is the kind of stuff the men and women of law enforcement have to deal with on a daily basis just to keep us safe. So let's give them a thumbs up just to show our appreciation. Doesn't look like there's any bullet holes on this side. They're probably using this side for cover and shooting back. Boom, boom. All right, I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. Look at all this glass. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. It does look like they removed some parts. I think they started parting this car out, or maybe they took them as evidence. Hey, look, you can't go wrong with peanut butter and jelly. Ooh, lovely. You know what's funny? This is the peanut butter I would always beg my mom to buy at the grocery store, but she would always refuse. Watch guard, camera. We got a Motorola speaker here. Connects directly into the radio. A switch. Unitro 80K amplifier. This thing is super rare and it's actually in pretty good condition. Now, San Francisco police and a lot of other emergency services near that area actually use the 80K amplifier. Let's see what kind of goodies are in here. Oh, this is a gun lock timer. Okay, I wonder why the steering wheel's off. Did it fall off or something? What the heck? Oh, look at that. So the bullet must have came through here, down here, came out there, and down here somewhere. Maybe we'll find the actual bullets here or something. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay, steering wheel is completely off. Stripped. Ooh, nice. Wheeling Dash King 2000. Oh man, it's been forever since I've seen one of these. Oh man, what the hell am I doing? Let me go put my gloves on. All right, got my gloves on. Yo, what the heck? The weather got all gloomy all of a sudden. Jeez. Oh, sweet mother of goodness. Oh shoot. It's a lot harder than you guys think. Oh, look at that. A police baton. A little top is removable. All right, let's take a look in the back. We got a hooker's boot, or a high heel, I should say. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it. I'm a hooker boot. All right, let me remove the seats. Okay. Looks like the Motorola control unit. This thing still smells super good. Some type of scope. It's Okay, watch criminals from a distance. Oh, this thing works super good. No way. Look at that. It's one of the bullets. Yikes. It's weird. Shouldn't this be evidence? Did they miss it? Or did they not need it? Or what? I have so many questions. Live bar wires go through that hole right there. A tactical knee pad. A Vertex LED light. Oh, look. Oh, wow. And there's more. There's another one here. There's another one there. Oh, wow. They are all over the place. Oh, I thought that was another one. Came out right there. And hit right there. What a unique center console. Okay, let's remove that rear cage. All right, here's the cage we just pulled out. Looks like it was a Satina Bodyguard partitioner. Not bad, just needs a little TLC. Yep, I don't know if you can see that, but some duffus tagged it up. This thing's gotta come out. We got some needles or syringes. Oil-based test paper. I think this thing goes like this or something. I don't know. Look at this, guys. A meth pipe, and it looks like there's some meth still in there. We gotta make sure we keep this away from Funny Man. Don't do drugs, guys. For those who don't know, my OG security man has died of an accidental fentanyl overdose. RIP. Let's hit F in the chat to show our respect. Okay, that thing's gotta come off. Ooh, I mean, I'm surprised it's not showered with drugs.
It looks like piss on it. Let's see the yellowish.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Oh, that's for sure pee. It's for sure. Who doesn't pee in cop cars? Hey, pass me the wire cutters. Colt 3 Wingman. It came with a free spider family. Let's test this thing out. Oh,
damn it. I wish it was amber. Get those on my car.
Don't we all? Don't we all? I like it though. Right there, right there. Right there. No, right there.
Oh shit. Holy.
Dude, that's that smell. You know,
oh yeah.
Yeah, it actually smells kind of good. What car freshener is that?
This is not clickbait either. This is really happening.
Yeah.
We got it stuffed in there too. Jesus.
Jeez.
This is like a pound at least.
Damn.
There we go.
Oh, look, some of it came out.
Holy shit. Less than a pound?
That's less than a pound, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know all the measurements. Look out and just take a sniff.
Smells good.
Careful of the hole in it.
No, I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't trust it. It could be laced or something.
It smells a little moldy.
Yeah.
Like it was being wet.
Yeah. It's been stuffed in a cop car for a while. All right, we're going to roll up a fat blunt. Let's put some tape on it so it doesn't fall apart.
This is the worst blunt I've ever seen.
All right, so Funny Man was begging to let him try this out. He really doesn't deserve it after that stunt he pulled with cutting those brakes. Yeah, look at his face. Okay, I gotta find something to hold that up. That'll do it. Okay, so many goodies. You know what? Let's start from here. And whoa, let's look at that. The shot went through here, and it went through. Oh, it went through there. You see that right there, and it must have hit this thing. Oh my goodness! What the hell? No way! Look at that. This thing took a freaking shot, and it still didn't go through. The shot went right over there. That could have penetrated and hit the gas tank. Okay, gotta make sure this thing doesn't fall on me, because holy smoke is this thing heavy. Hope these go spinny. Ooh, Nice. Yeah, I gotcha. And these are actually wheeling, so not bad. What is this, a flashlight? Cold 3, siren speaker, 100 watt. Sweet. You can shovel, I guess, if you ever need to bury a dead body. There you go. Some rope to hang the minion. This looks like some light bar components. Now this, I can't reach it. Okay, I'm gonna. Here we go. Oh yeah, this thing is heavy. Let's see. Okay, come on, please be a biscuit. Bro. Oh, nice. This is a flare gun? Holy smokes, why is it black? Sweet, I didn't even know they came in black. Okay, these are unspent. And those looks like just regular flares. This is a handheld flare. I mean, let's put this thing to the test. Since we were pretty ticked off at the funny man, we decided we're gonna put an M80 inside of him and shoot him with the flare gun, which will ignite it and blow him to smithereens. For the crime of murder by cutting the brakes of Danny Backup, causing his fiery death, you have hereby been sentenced to death by explosion.
Stop it!
Where's the Sawyer signature? Let me see.
So after a little bit of investigating the crime scene, we found his hand.
Funny man's hand, bro. What the
Hands
heck?
right here. It just went and fused together like that.
Jeez.
There's a little bit of stuffing in it still.
You know what? He's still dangerous. Handcuff him.